Hey guys, Max from ShopedApp.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix one of the most annoying problems that I've had on both of these Mark Vs is the mirror glass falling off or wiggling or getting loose and just generally be annoying. It's a super common problem on Mark Vs and it's a really easy fix. So we'll show you how to replace that mirror today. Alright, so this is a super straightforward install. We'll just pull this out so we can see a little bit better here. But all we do to change this mirror is like to push it in all the way on the inside so you can get your fingers in here. And then go ahead and kind of slide it back and it will just pop right off of the mount. And then you can disconnect your wires up here for the heater element. And then pull right off. So the reason why these so commonly you see a lot of people with Mark Vs will have their mirrors either missing, fall off, or when you're driving down the road, you'll get it'll be shaken like that, despite the mirror not being broken. So the reason why that happens, as these cars get old, you'll see the base on this actually will separate. So that's glued on normally, and you can see that this mirror is barely hanging on for dear life. But yeah, so that's what causes this as they get old. It's a pretty simple fix. You can just go ahead and get a mirror. We have both just the factory replacement mirrors. As you can see, this we get this thing to focus here. We can get this to zoom. Yeah, it doesn't pull off anymore. It's nice and sturdy. So we have these available, just the factory replacement, flat mirror, as well as the European style aspherical or blind spot. They're often referred to as have the wider edge here. We'll link to those parts in the description in case you're interested in getting one of those non-stock mirrors. So then all we got to do to put this back together is just go ahead and plug our heater wires in, and then take this these circular ring here is what actually locks it to the motor. You can see there's holes in the motor here where it mounts to. So you just go ahead and get those lined up. You might need to move the motor back out a little bit so you can get a better angle on it. But you can just go ahead and clip it in and just make sure it's pressed in all the way around, or otherwise it can get some weird distortion on the glass if it's not all the way clipped in. But that's it. Alright, so like I said, crazy easy install. Takes not even 5 minutes start to finish. So that's that. If you're looking for these parts, like I said, we have them available in just the stock, same thing you'd be taking out of the car, flat mirror glass, or we have them in the aspherical mirrors, which has the wider edge. It helps eliminate some of the blind spot. But if you got a mirror that's falling off, or generally being annoying, now you know what the cause of the problem is, how to fix it. Let us know if you like this video, want to see more like it. We've got these two Mark Vs here, and we've also got a 2.5 Jetta. If you got any videos that you have that you want to see done on these cars, please let us know in the comments. Like I said, if you like this video, sure to let us know. Like, share, subscribe, do all that stuff that everyone on YouTube asks you to do. Thanks. This was Max from Shoped App showing you how to install that mirror.